Welcome everyone, thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by on this channel. Good to see your smiling faces. Well, today it's gonna be one of the best pickup of the year, I hope. But before that, Jane Nolasco here, and if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. So let's go check it out, how and why did I pick up and how many I pick up on this Adidas outlet. So let's go. What can you see here on the outlet? I don't think so. Is it real? Is it real? You got it here in the outlet. And boom. And they are selling it for retail 300, and I believe it should be another 40% off on this one. No. You won't believe they got it in here, and it's a size 12. Oh, it's my first time to see this thing on hand. Wow, can't believe them in the outlet, can't believe them on the outlet. I'm thinking I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? So, after you seeing that video, I hope you know what we got in here. I bet you know. So, let's unpack them and unbox them. Take that out of the boxes and then take them out. Right now. There we go. So we grab a few on this Adidas outlet, and as you know already, they're having another 40% off store-wide on the Adidas outlet. Oopsie. Alright. Not much, but this could be my best pickup of the year 2019. But first, let's start with this 4, and then we'll do the best in the end of the video. So we'll start with this one. Okay, this one is $59.95, both $59.95. There you go. As you can see, $59.95 Adidas X16 Pure Chaos. And there we go. And also considered in the 40% off discount, and we got a nice soccer shoes right here. And there we go. Boom. Anyone who like to have any soccer shoes for $59.95 with the additional 40% off. Nice soccer shoes colorway, and also the quality, and also stretchable. Not bad for a soccer shoes. Come in with a bag, also other details, and the other details are just a tag, and that's it. Okay, now Next shoe is another $59.95, then additional 40. It is the NEMEZIZ 17 Plus 360 Agility FG, $59.95. Ooh, there we go. Boom, 360 agility bandage. There we go. Wow, nice soccer shoes, very lightweight. Design wise, you got a lot of design all around. Here we go with the green stripes of the Adidas. This one is kind of familiar. There's a NEMEZIZ right there, if you see. This one, okay, here you can see right here, it's like crisscrossing of this one. That one is pretty much nice. Good soccer shoes. Price alone, you can't go wrong on that one. And another good pickup is Adidas Adlet. I think it was a limited. It was a limited slip-on or slipper or sandal, but the price alone, there you go, check that out, check the price, $39.97, and then additional 40% off. Check this out. Ooh. Boom, nice colorway, like a flowery thing. Well, oopsie. It's good for, nice for women's sandals though, and the design alone can't go wrong, color can't go wrong, and it comes with some kind of nice bag, dust bag as you can say. But the price is $39.95, and then additional 40% off. Not bad. Nice color, also nice design. So we're almost there, and as we say, we save the best for last, and one more before the best pickup of the year. And there we go, we got a Adidas SM Pro Bounce 2018 Team BD. Boom. There we go. We got a nice basketball shoes in here. I've been reading a lot of good reviews regarding this basketball shoes Bounce because of the technology that I put in here. It bounces you when you're playing basketball. So I picked them up because I said I know it's not gonna be my size, but I'm thinking when I got home to the Philippines, I could just give it away to someone who needed a pair of a basketball shoes, and it is a size 9. Check out the price, $39.95 with additional 40% off. Can't go wrong for a nice basketball shoes that has a lot of positive reviews that I've been seeing in YouTube or in the Google. And the colorway, well, it's kind of Cleveland, Ohio basketball colorway, and comes with the yellow and maroon. The good thing is the dirt cannot be easily seen, and well, a nice basketball shoes, it doesn't matter if it's what the color is, at least help you. You can play basketball, that's the way it is. This one, probably going to be giveaway when I got home to the Philippines. And so, the moment that we've been waiting for, that's why you are here. So I hope you like and also you see the video before this unboxing, and I'm still having a starstruck on this one. So let's move on and take them out of the box. Whoa. Ooh. Boom. Wow. There we go. We got the ADIDAS ALPHAEDGE for the like, oh, I can't believe it, they have it on ADIDAS outlet. This is why I've been saying check out your ADIDAS outlet. If you are close to them, drop by a visit. You might stumble into something, and it is really pays off for me checking out the ADIDAS today. And wow, I really appreciate the effort, the technology that they put on this alphaedge. Check out the midsole. It is really amazed me. Wow, it's really my first time when I saw them, like, wow, wow. It is better when I saw them on hand, touch them on hand, comparing them to seeing just a picture, photos, and videos online. The technology, I really can't get away with it. Well, so it is really soft, really soft. The upper is just the basic neat all around, kind of stretchy, nice on the upper, very simple, but it will get you a head turning when you saw the midsole. Wow, wow. So this one is size 12, not my size, so it's gonna be flip it. So the price alone on this ALPHAEDGE 4D is really good. It is on retail, but the good thing is they got it on 40% off, so it came down to 180 for just a 4D, and you can't go wrong on this. So I'm hoping it was my size. I'm gonna be on the Holy Grail on my shoes, but I'm just gonna flip it. But I'm still enjoying the feeling, and I'm still enjoying the technology they put it on. I hope I could get me the size on my size. So probably it will. Good thing it still pays off for me to go check out the ADIDAS outlet. As being said, check out your ADIDAS outlet. You never know what you'll find out. It will pay off. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and also click your notification bell so you'll be notified for the next upcoming video. And then I'll see you later. Peace.